First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Tap Bluetooth or Connected Devices, depending on your phone. Turn Bluetooth off. Wait a few seconds. Then turn Bluetooth back on. Now try connecting your Bluetooth device again. If it still doesn't work, go back to the Settings page. Tap App Management. Tap the two dots in the top right corner. Select Show System Apps. Search for Bluetooth. Tap Bluetooth. Then tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. Now restart your Android phone. After your phone turns back on, open Settings again. Go to Bluetooth, turn on Bluetooth, and pair your device again. That's it. This is how you can fix Bluetooth not working on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.